Question number 1, will it do a burnout? Hello, Hennessey fans. Welcome to another great video. My name is Alex, and I am in a 2021 Ford Bronco. Such a cool throwback to the OG Bronco. This is the second time that I've been in the driver's seat. The only other time was to move it across the parking lot. So I really have no preconceived notions of what this vehicle is, except for that this is the new Jeep Wrangler Fighter. And I think this thing is going to crush in the market. And today we're just gonna be taking it around the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. Let's get her warmed up and let's just go straight to the back of the track and do some pulls. How about that? So I'm gonna keep it in 2 high. You've got all your modes here. You've got normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand. Wow, lots of modes. Baja, rock crawl. So I'm gonna keep it all the way in normal. All right, here we go. Okay, I see the traction light flashing, and we're at 60. It's peppy. It's not fast, but it is peppy. Okay, we didn't quite hit 100. I think we hit right at 99 miles per hour. A little bit of reference there. T-Rex stock will do about 110 in that same exact scenario. So. Very different vehicles, of course, but just for reference. It's very tame. It's very easy to drive. It handles pretty nicely. It's not like too crazy on the body roll. That's kind of one thing that plagues the Jeep Wrangler is just a lot of the body roll, but this thing actually is pretty tight. All right, we're gonna go off-road here. We're gonna do exactly what this puppy is meant to do. There's lots of bumps in the grass, but nothing crazy. I think we need all the stability off. Oh, here we go. Hold for advanced track off. Okay, now let's get this rear end out of here. There we go. Now you can feel some good body roll. I have to say, I'm having a really good time. Come on, get around. There we go. Yes. All right. That's pretty fun. There's some dirt around, that's for sure. Dust, really. It's all dust. It's very dry out here today. The cabin noise for having a removable roof and doors and everything isn't too bad. This definitely has, of course, a very Wrangler feel, but it just seems like they did a lot of things so much better. I like the interior a lot more. The center screen is very nice and functional. I really like the handles that you have in here and the orange touch points. There's so many different parts about this vehicle, very unique to the Bronco. You've got the speedometer as analog on the left, and then in the center you've got a digital screen showing whatever you want to show. A couple things that they learned from the Raptor are these auxiliary switches. I always loved this about the Raptor. So when you purchase your Velociraptor Bronco package, we'll have it wired to auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, and you just flip them on like that. It's a nice feature. So the main news about this vehicle, besides us having it right now for stock, is that this is the Hennessey R&D vehicle for the Velociraptor Bronco 400, and we are tearing into it right after my butt gets out of this seat. So as soon as I pull back into the shop, the R&D is full speed ahead, and we're really excited to get our hands dirty with this one. So we have an excellent R&D team that really takes their time to understand the vehicle, the powertrain. You're gonna get a modified vehicle with more horsepower, with more performance, with better looks, but it's gonna come with a warranty from us. So we're very excited to get into the R&D of this. So next up, let's talk about some of the details that the Ford Bronco has. I think they really nailed it. First things first, I was looking at all these bolts that they've got going on. They have Bronco in the bolts. You've got a front camera here, you've got factory tow hooks, that's awesome. So looking at the windshield, you have some cool graphics here. You've got Bronco established in 1966. You've got accessory ready, which has these covers here that you can use underneath for accessory mounting like rails or racks. Inscribed on the door, it says lift, and you have a built-in groove to carry the door with to make it way easier. There's no center bar, by the way. That's legit. That's kind of the first vehicle I've seen with no center bar in the middle. You can attach stuff to this cage right here. There's just a lot of cool details. And the roof is just 4 easy levers, if you will, and a very lightweight panel, and looks like there's 4 of these. And the number one question is, will it do a burnout? So the truth of the matter is that the Jeep Wrangler has been the category king of off-road short body vehicles, but I think we have a new contender.
Drive a stock one when you can drive this.